All right, good morning, y'all. I want to take a moment and show you how to RSVP for our upcoming progression, Mastering Real Food for a Lifetime, kicking off on Saturday at 10:30 a.m. PST. If you've already RSVP'd, you may want to watch this because if you're doing virtual, I need you to do something extra, okay? Now, you can attend this progression kicking off on Saturday, either virtual or in person. If you're here in Vegas, obviously you can choose between in person or virtual. And if you're not in Vegas, you'd want to attend virtual. Now, if you can attend live, I would highly recommend attending live because it's dynamic, it's interactive, and you're forced to sit through the information right there, that hour of power, versus watching a video later, which all of us know that your attention span isn't always there when you're trying to watch a video after the fact. All right, so, but if you can't make the meeting for whatever reason, part of being a member of this community, Superhumans United, means you're always going to get the information no matter what. So we will record the meetings and upload them as courses as we go through the progression, okay? So I want to cover how to access via your computer and also your phone. So this is also going to be like a tutorial on how to use the application on the phone because some people are confused with that. So if you're on the PC, we're going to community.superhumantransformation.com, and then once inside, we're going to navigate over to events. And in the events, you're going to notice there's two different events, in-person and virtual. If you're attending in person, just click on the event and RSVP. If you're doing virtual, I need you to go into the event, and then there's a Crowdcast link. And you're going to click on that Crowdcast link, and you're going to RSVP through Crowdcast. This is going to give you the link to attend the meeting live, because Crowdcast is a separate little platform. And so this is where we're hosting that live video, okay? We're gonna be streaming it through Crowdcast, all right? So I need you to not just RSVP to the virtual, but also go into Crowdcast and RSVP there, all right? Now, if we're doing it on the phone, you're gonna navigate over to the Mighty Network symbol. Now in the future, we're gonna have this replaced with an SHT Shield, and we're very excited about that. But we're going to click on that Mighty Networks, and once inside the network, to access the menu, the side menu, you're going to click on those three lines at the top left. And then once you click on those three lines, you're going to navigate down to events, and then you'll see those same two events right there. All right, so just let us know which one you're going to do. Also, FYI, make sure if you want a guide that you order a guide before this weekend, because if we need to ship it, we need to ship it Monday or Tuesday, which is tomorrow or Tuesday. When you get your guide, this guide is awesome. It's updated. It's twice as big as it was last year, and it's meant to be like a follow-along workbook. So when you get your guide, with all due respect for your excitement and enthusiasm, I would not read through the entire guide like a book, because there's concepts in there that we're not going to touch in the beginning. This progression is a progression, which means we're going to ease through each one of these phases, and I would highly recommend doing that and not trying to skip anything, because you want to get the full experience, okay? I think that's all I got. If you have any questions, please send them my way, and we look forward to seeing you guys at this Mastering Real Food for a Lifetime progression kickoff.